wondered how you can organize and write the perfect email for business or professional purposes? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you an easy and simple way to organize and write the perfect email. Let's get to it. So today we're going to discuss a topic that's essential in our daily lives using English, both personally and professionally: how to organize and write the perfect email. So I'm going to take you through 6 key steps to help you craft an effective and well-structured email. Let's dive right in to step 1, greeting. First things first, let's talk about the greeting. The greeting sets the tone for your email and helps you establish a connection with your recipient. Make sure to address the person by their name if possible. If you don't know their name, you can use a general greeting like "Dear Sir," "Madam," or "Hello." Remember, it's essential to keep the greeting professional and respectful. Next up is the subject line. The subject line is crucial because it's the first thing the recipient sees when they receive your email. It should be clear, concise, and actively and accurately reflect the content of your email. A good subject line usually grabs the attention of the recipient and encourages them to open and read your message. For example, instead of writing "meeting," you could write "request for a meeting on June the 1st at 2 p.m. This would be much more effective than simply writing one word or one simple or boring headline in the subject. Next, we have the purpose. So now that you've got your greeting and subject line sorted, it's time to state the purpose of the email. Why are you writing this? The purpose should be mentioned early on, preferably in the first paragraph, to ensure the recipient understands why you're reaching out to them. Be direct and clear about your intentions, whether it's to request information, provide an update, or ask for assistance. This will help the recipient know what to expect and how to respond appropriately. After that, we have the details. Once you've stated the purpose of the email, it's time to provide the necessary details. This is where you can elaborate on your request or provide additional context. Make sure to keep your paragraphs short and focused, using bullet points or numbered lists if needed. This will make your email easier to read and understand. Also, be sure to double check your facts and figures so you avoid any confusion or misunderstandings. After detail, we have the call to action. So, now that you've provided all the necessary information, it's time to include a call to action. A call to action is a clear and specific request for the recipient to take a particular action. This could be replying to your email, scheduling a meeting, or providing feedback. Make sure your call to action is easy to understand and is actionable. For example, you could write, "Please let me know your availability for a meeting next week," or "Kindly provide your feedback on the attached document by Friday." These are some examples of calls to action you can use in your email. Sign off. Finally, it's time to sign off. The sign off is your chance to leave a lasting impression and maintain a professional tone. Use phrases like "best regards," "sincerely," or "kind regards," followed by your name, and if applicable, your title and contact information. This will make it easy for the recipient to get in touch with you if they have any questions or concerns. Recap and conclusion. So to recap, the 6 key steps to organizing and writing the perfect email are: greeting, subject line, purpose, detail, call to action, and sign off. By following these steps, you'll be able to craft well-constructed, effective emails that get your message across clearly and professionally. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep refining your email writing skills to become a master communicator. So that is it for today's video on organizing and writing the perfect email. I hope you found these tips useful. Why not write your own email below for feedback, and I can take a look and give you some feedback on it. If you enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. I do read them all and I will do my best to respond to them. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.